Let's pretend, kids!
Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Let's Pretend Kids. We have another, not really a baking challenge, but it's a dessert challenge that we're going to do today. And I have my special helpers, Violet, say hi.
Hi.
Zoe, say hi.
Hi.
And they're going to be my helpers today. So if you're new to the channel, first things first, don't forget to
Like.
and
Subscribe.
Okay, so here's all the ingredients we'll need. And like I said, the girls are going to help me. Okay, so first step is we're going to put some foil in the baking dish. And it doesn't have to be pretty. You're just trying to get the inside line. Like that. How's that look, girls?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Now, I need your guys' help. We're going to put in some ice cream sandwiches. So, I'm going to take off the wrappers. Here's you.
They're so cold. This is what I told.
I'm going to take off the wrappers and we'll throw the wrappers away. And this is going to be kind of like our crust.
Looking at this kind of makes me hungry now. Dad?
Yes.
Yeah, they're really no food.
Not too melted.
I'm getting my fingers away.
So you'll just put them in like this. We should have 4 across the bottom.
4 across the bottom.
Put them right next to each other. You look at your fingers?
I'm hungry now.
No, hold on. That's be great. So make sure it's right next to each other, Violet.
I'm hungry.
No, hold on. I'll do the last one. Make sure they're scooted right next to each other.
I'm getting really my favorite.
And the last one. All right, so there's the first layer.
Ice cream.
Yep, now we got to put in some ice cream. And really you can choose any flavor. We chose mint chocolate chip. You could do Oreo cookies. You could do any flavor you wanted.
And strawberry or chocolate or vanilla.
Yep, any flavor you want.
Anything.
So it helps if it's if the ice cream is a little bit soft. So we're going to put this on top.
I want to help. Oh my god.
Hold on, you can help me smooth it out, okay?
Okay. Oh, that's so much. I'm so hungry.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Well, I have a spatula.
These are like all my.
Zoe's getting in it with her fingers.
Yeah.
These are all
I guess
my
so am
favorite
I.
types of ice cream and desserts. Because some of these aren't ice cream.
Okay, so we need to thin this out.
It's
So
yummy.
you want to try to smooth that out for me?
Yeah.
The smell smells like milk.
And we wanted the little kid handprints edition.
Okay.
That's okay, Zoe. That's half the fun.
Like,
So I will say it's very important. Make sure you wash your hands. Okay, now we're going to do another layer of the sandwiches. Okay. Take one, hand that to your sister.
Sure. These are yummy.
yes.
And they could be the chocolate sandwiches. I know there's like graham cracker. I mean, you can do whatever you want.
I choose graham cracker. I haven't seen that one.
Is that what you
do
choose?
the ice cream again.
Yep, we're going to do another layer. This one will be kind of thin because we use this baking dish. Some people use, like if you have a bread, like to make a loaf of bread, that might be a little bit deeper.
If you want to do smaller strips of ice cream, our spatulas, that's okay. If you want to do the ice, actually scoop, that's okay as well.
Okay, so we got our next layer of ice cream kind of smoothed out. Put this to the side. And now we're going to take Oreos, and you can do any kind of cookie. And I'm going to have the girls help me by smashing some Oreos.
Oh, I did it. Okay.
Hold on one second, let me get them in a bag.
I'll smash those.
You'll smash them? Okay. Give that a try. Hold the handles on the side. Up and roll.
Back and forth.
better?
Yeah.
Molly, you want to take a
Calm enough.
Yeah.
with this?
Whoa, it's like a...
So we got 2 bags of very crushed up Oreos.
And now that's gonna sprinkle them on.
Yep, I'm just gonna sprinkle them on top.
Now it makes me think like it's a cake.
I can understand why.
There's gonna be a whole bunch.
Yeah.
Dad, you can make some more?
I don't know if I do or not, but we'll use them.
Let's see.
So just make sure the top's covered,
Yeah, very
like
good.
so.
Yeah.
And then what we're gonna do, hold on a second, Zoe. You'll just cover it up and stick this back in the freezer for 2 hours. And we will have our own dessert ice cream, mint Oreo cake, sandwich goodness.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you when it comes out.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we waited 2 hours with this to freeze, and now we're gonna cut it up and see how we did. You girls excited?
Yes. Whoa. Yes, I can't wait.
Here's helping.
Eating it.
All right, before the girls get to dive in, so we got some magic shell,
Chocolate sauce.
and you put it on top, and this one it'll actually,
Melt.
it doesn't melt, but it forms a shell.
I think I'll take that.
So it's kind of like,
I'll take that piece. I have to eat a big one?
Don't have to eat anything you don't want. There's your forks. Okay,
Now-
girls,
That would
dive in and tell us what you think.
I'm super excited right
I can't get a
It
single
looks-
piece out of here. I like the vanilla part of the chocolate sauce, but the mint is kind of sour.
You're not used to mint. What do you think, Violet?
now. I think
I'm still
it was very nice. I could definitely feel the shell.
Yeah.
The ice cream sandwiches give it a nice little taste of vanilla. Overall, I think it was worth wait.
Worth the wait?
I just taste Oreos and they're like super crunchy and I love them.
So if you can't tell, we've been watching some cooking shows, and the girls are getting a taste of being judges. So I'm glad you guys like it. We'll definitely post a link to the recipe if you want to follow along or make your own changes. We'll post it in the description down below.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. Girls, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Tune in every Sunday. Don't forget to
Like
like
and subscribe.
and subscribe. Bye.